Are you tired of constantly vacuuming your home, especially if you have pets? This iRobot Roomba J9 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum may be the game changer you've been waiting for. It's specifically designed to handle the messiest pet homes with ease and offers a revolutionary, automated cleaning experience that goes beyond what most other vacuums can provide. This review dives into why the Roomba J9 Plus is your best pick for smart cleaning, particularly in homes with pets. Owning pets is a joy. The cleaning isn't always so delightful. Pet hair, dander, and occasional messes can quickly pile up. That's where the Roomba J9 Plus shines. It is built to make cleaning stress-free for pet owners. With dual multi-surface rubber brushes that don't tangle with pet hair, and its 100% stronger suction compared to previous Roomba models, picks up everything from fur to fine dust particles with ease. Additionally, it features the P.O.O.P, Pet Owner Official Promise. This guarantee means the Roomba J9 Plus is specifically programmed to detect and avoid pet messes like waste, so you don't have to worry about any unfortunate accidents involving your vacuum. And if the robot doesn't avoid pet waste, iRobot offers to replace it free of charge, making this a truly pet-friendly cleaning solution. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus brings unmatched suction power to the table, 100% more than previous Roomba models, including the i-Series. This enhanced suction enables the J9 Plus to lift dirt, dust, and more effectively, especially from carpet. The 3-stage cleaning system, featuring dual rubber brushes and edge-sweeping functionality, ensures that every corner of your home is cleaned thoroughly, leaving no room for dirt to hide. Unlike traditional vacuums, the Roomba J9 Plus automatically adjusts suction based on the floor type, so whether you have hardwood floors or thick carpeting, it adapts effortlessly for optimal performance. Combined with advanced power-lifting suction, this means that even deeply embedded dirt and pet hair get extracted, ensuring a cleaner home with minimal effort. One of the most revolutionary features of the Roomba J9 Plus is its dirt detective technology. This feature analyzes your home's cleaning history and customizes the vacuum's cleaning preferences accordingly. The Roomba J9 Plus knows where dirt accumulates most often and prioritizes those areas for deep cleaning. In addition to this, it comes equipped with precision vision navigation, allowing it to avoid common household obstacles like shoes, cords, of course, pet toys. It's also capable of learning and remembering the layout of your home, thanks to iRobot's smart mapping. With this technology, you can control which rooms get cleaned and schedule cleanings when it's most convenient. Plus, with voice assistant compatibility, you can simply tell your Roomba to start cleaning, and it'll take care of the rest. Another standout feature of the Roomba J9 Plus is its self-emptying capability. After every cleaning cycle, the robot automatically empties its dustbin into an advanced disposal system that holds up to 60 days of debris. That's 2 full months of not even thinking about vacuuming. This function is ideal for people with busy schedules or anyone who just doesn't want to deal with the hassle of frequently emptying vacuum bags or bins. Set it and forget it. Your home stays clean without any added effort. The Roomba J9 Plus offers a personalized cleaning experience based on your unique needs. Imprint Smart Mapping allows the robot to store multiple floor maps, making it perfect for multi-level homes. You can create keep-out zones and clean zones that tell your Roomba exactly where to focus its attention or avoid. Also, unlike older models, the Roomba J9 Plus can create a complete map of your home 7x faster, so you can start cleaning specific areas right out of the box. The Roomba J9 Plus also pairs with your favorite voice assistant, including Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Whether you're in another room or on your way out the door, simply give your Roomba a voice command, and it will start cleaning on your schedule. Want it to clean the kitchen? No problem. With a simple command like, Alexa, tell Roomba to clean the living room, the J9 Plus will get to work immediately. This integration makes the Roomba J9 Plus an excellent choice for tech-savvy users who want a seamless, hands-free experience. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum is the ultimate vacuum for pet owners. Its intelligent design, powerful suction, and ability to self-empty for up to 60 days make it a top-tier cleaning solution, practically eliminates the need for manual vacuuming. The Roomba J9 Plus takes care of everything. from avoiding pet messes to adjusting to different surfaces for an optimal clean. Plus, its ability to navigate around obstacles like pet bowls and toys ensures a smooth, uninterrupted cleaning experience. Whether you have a multi-pet household or just a busy home, the Roomba J9 Plus adapts to your needs, making it one of the smartest investments you can make for a cleaner home. Final verdict: is the Roomba J9 Plus worth it? Absolutely. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is the perfect combination of advanced technology and convenience, making it the ultimate vacuum for pet owners or anyone who desires a hassle-free cleaning experience. Its pet-specific features, self-emptying capability, and smart mapping make it a standout option in the world of robot vac. So if you're looking for a vacuum that not only cleans but learns and adapts to your home, the Roomba J9 Plus should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.